thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand if you want to add a continuous typing effect or you want to animate your text in Elementor, but you don't want to purchase the Elementor Pro version, then how you can achieve this functionality using the free version of Elementor. So that is the agenda for this video. Follow all the steps, watch the video till the end, and I'm sure you will be able to do the same. So right now I have a website which is of course built in WordPress, and we are using Elementor as a page builder, but I don't want to go for Elementor Pro version. So what I'll do, I'll just go to plugins, click on add new plugin, and here there is an add-on plugin which is absolutely for free, that is called Royal Add-ons for Elementor. That is Royal Elementor add-on. Once you search for this plugin, there will be an option called Royal Elementor add-on and template. You need to install and activate this plugin. I have already done the same, and that's why it is showing active. Once you have activated it, there is an option called Royal Add-ons on the left hand side. Just click on this option and make sure that all the widgets are by default on, and if it is not, then you can switch it off and then again switch it on. This is the first thing. Second thing, in order to add that animated text, what you need to do is come on to page on which you want to add this text. Let's say I want to replace this heading. This is a boring heading, normal heading, nothing new about it. Now here I will search for advanced. I will search for advanced, and you can see there is called advanced text, and it is marked as R in the blue color, which shows that it is a widget provided by Royal Elementor add-on. In order to use it, let's just drag and drop it like this. And once I have drag and dropped like this, so let me now, you can see the there is an animation. Let me change the color of the text so that you can see it. So by default, there are two colors. The first color is the primary text, which is not changing, and the second one is advanced text. So let me change the color to something like white only, but when it is being typed, then we can say it is in form of yellow, for example. You can change the colors accordingly, not a problem, right? So that's how this will work. So while it is typing, it is in the white, and once the typing is done, it will be in the yellow. You can change the text. Now coming back to the content part, so of course there are predefined styles available. You can click on this, and there are some options which you can use in order to make your website beautiful, and if you want to use them, you can definitely do it. So like for example, here is a option. So how this looks like, this particular predefined text, this is like the subscribe for best values, subscribe for top products. So you need to make sure that what you are fixing as a text and which text is changing and what are the options which is coming in the text. So let's say here I want to keep the fixed part as the text. So let's say it is the prefix text which I want to add, right? So let's say here is the prefix text. So I will say we are providing, for example, this is the fixed text. Animated text will be, so let's say I am saying SEO services, PPC services, right? So these are the texts which will be continuously changing. Web development services, right? So these are the texts which will be changed, suffix, and now you can see we are providing will remain same, and the suffix will be changed again and again. And you can see the duration. You can change, increase or decrease the duration based on your choice, based on your need and how your audience will want to see it, and do they have this much of time. So for example, and there are other options also. So animated in terms of highlight also, you can also highlight the suffix. So right now you can see the best website or the other things are highlighted in terms of circle. You can highlight in terms of underline. You can highlight the suffix in terms of curly text or curly shape. It's something like this, or maybe you can say double, or you can say double line, underline. There are multiple other options. Same as in animated, there are options like typing, skew in terms of it will be tilted like this, then flip VR, vertically flip, it will show like this, right? Or maybe flip horizontal. So there are multiple options which you can explore, and all these options are usually provided in Elementor Pro version. But as you can see that I am not using the Elementor Pro version, since I am using Elementor add-on plugin, which enables me to use all these options for absolutely free without any paid plugin. And of course there are other settings in terms of alignment, H3, H4, you can use that, but the primary focus was to use this feature without Elementor Pro, and that we have achieved successfully. And once you publish the changes and preview the changes once, of course you will see that the content, the heading is now changing properly as per our settings. As whatever animation you want to make, whatever changes you want to make, you can do that and then publish the changes. So guys, that's how you can add an animated text or typing effect text without Elementor Pro in your WordPress website. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.